Hey guys, we're back out on the water again for another adventure. This is a little bit of an evening cruise. I've got Sarah back with us again.
Hello everyone.
And today we're coming out of Port Credit area and we're gonna go east towards downtown Toronto. Check out the Toronto skyline in the afternoon like this. A bit of an offshore breeze, so it should be pretty calm. And then just kind of enjoy the day out on the water. Like you can see, tons of sailboats out already, so we're gonna have to watch out for them. So guys, just hope you come along with this video and enjoy this evening on Lake Ontario. Let's get at it. Hi guys, so we've just kind of come up the mouth of the Humber River here. There was a lot of rain earlier today, so it's a bit muddy right now, and there's some debris coming down the river. And actually a pretty good current for this time of year, so just want to go under the bridge, see how the water levels are looking here, and I'll just have a quick look because I knew we did get some rain. So we're going to turn around from here, head back out, and then we're going to keep making our way to downtown Toronto. So let's keep the adventure going.
What? I didn't hear the question.
Oh, I thought you were going to get the... I thought I was going to get the woo!
You!
Oh, okay, well...
Who's late? I'm sorry.
The enthusiasm was there. Alright guys, so we're going to head back out that way, okay? Alright guys, so there is the Toronto Billy Bishop Airport out on the island here. So and we're coming into the main, we're coming into the west harbor entrance. Beautiful views of the downtown at sundown, very nice. I don't know if you can see, oh probably not, I might have to zoom in, but there's like the fire trucks for the airport and stuff. So you gotta go slow through here. It is a harbor, so there's only a speed limit and stuff like that. So we'll just make our way in here and see what we find. There you go, guys. We just did a quick little tour through the islands.
Yeah.
Come back out. What an amazing view you get. So let's keep putzing around and seeing what we get up to. So this right here, guys, is the Toronto Island Yacht Club. Fancy dancy. They even have cannons, apparently. Okay. Yeah, beautiful place. I can never afford to go there. So let's keep exploring. Look at that. What a view. So guys, we've made it to the famous Scarborough Bluffs, looking like an alien wasteland. Yet there's a pipe coming out right there. Usually these look a lot better. They're more bright white and stuff, but it rained here like I said earlier, so everything's a little bit different. But yeah, like this water is usually a nice cool turquoisey green because of the clay that they have here. But that is not here. So.
It's a cool gray.
It's a very interesting color scheme they've got going on right now. So this is as far as we're going to head today. The sun is getting down, so just going to do a quick lap around here.
How deep is it here?
10 feet.
10?
10 feet.
Oh yeah.
9 feet. There you go, guys. Oh, easy there, Gary. Jeez. They filmed many a show here. They make it look like some kind of alien backdrop. But you could see, like, how crazy would this be if this thing let go right now?
Yeah.
Like it's happened, like right there was a slide just a couple years ago. I do believe that there, oh, we might be shot. Anywho, there's the Scarborough Bluffs. Let's get out of here and make our way home. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that drone footage of the Scarborough Bluffs there. The sun is getting low. We've got about 30 minutes before it sets, so we got to rip back to the launch. So we're just going to grip it and go. So thanks a lot for coming along for this adventure. Thank you to Sarah again for coming out.
I thought we were gonna punch it home.
Well, we'll punch it once we start.
Oh, okay.
But we're going to grip it and rip it. I don't know. Something happens.
Okay.
Things are going to happen. It is what it is. But it's probably going to be a bit of a rush at the ramp. So we're going to say goodbye here. Hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did. Wait, no, I'm going to steal someone else's tag. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please make sure that you hit the like button. Please subscribe. We got more adventures coming, so stick around for that. Until then, until we see you out on the water again, be safe out there. Peace.